Windows play a bigger role in your home than most people realize. They bring in natural light, help regulate indoor temperatures, protect against the elements, and add to your home's curb appeal. If you live in High Springs, where heat, humidity, and seasonal storms are part of everyday life, your windows work even harder. Over time, that wear and tear adds up. Knowing when it's time for window replacement in High Springs can save you money, improve comfort, and protect your home. Your energy bills keep climbing. One of the first signs that you may need window replacement in High Springs is a steady increase in your energy bills. Older or damaged windows often allow air to escape, forcing your HVAC system to work overtime. In a warm climate like High Springs, this usually means your air conditioner runs longer and harder. If you notice certain rooms feel hotter than others or your system never seems to catch up, inefficient windows could be the culprit. Modern energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced glass technology, better seals, and improved frames that help keep cool air inside and heat outside. You feel drafts or notice temperature changes stand near your windows on a hot afternoon or during a cooler evening. Do you feel warm air seeping in or cool air leaking out? Drafts are a clear sign that your windows are no longer sealing properly. In High Springs, fluctuating temperatures and humidity can cause window frames to expand and contract over time. This movement can break seals and create gaps. When that happens, your home loses its protective barrier. Window replacement restores that barrier and helps maintain consistent indoor comfort year-round. Your windows are hard to open or close. Windows should open and close smoothly. If you struggle every time you try to raise a sash or slide a window open, it may be more than just a minor inconvenience. Warped frames, rusted hardware, or balance issues can make windows difficult to operate. This isn't just about convenience. In an emergency, you need windows that function properly for ventilation or escape. If your windows stick, jam, or won't lock securely, it's a strong sign that window replacement in High Springs should be on your to-do list. You see condensation between the glass. Condensation on the outside of your window can be normal. However, if you notice fogging or moisture trapped between panes of glass, that usually means the seal has failed. Double and triple pane windows rely on airtight seals to provide insulation. Once that seal is broken, the insulating gas escapes and moisture gets in. This reduces energy efficiency and can eventually lead to further damage. Replacing these windows helps restore insulation and prevents ongoing problems. Outside noise seems louder than before. If you hear traffic, neighbors, or outdoor activity more clearly than you used to, your windows may not be providing the sound insulation they once did. Older single-pane windows especially struggle to block outside noise. New window replacement options in High Springs often include double-pane or impact-resistant glass that significantly reduces noise levels. This upgrade can make your home feel more peaceful and private. You notice visible damage. Cracked glass, rotting frames, peeling paint, and water stains are all visible warning signs. In High Springs, frequent rain and humidity can speed up wood rot and frame deterioration. Small cracks or leaks can quickly turn into bigger structural issues if left unaddressed. If you see signs of water damage around your windows, it's important to act quickly. Window replacement not only improves appearance but also helps protect your walls and insulation from further moisture problems. Your home looks outdated. Sometimes the reason for window replacement in High Springs is simply aesthetic. Windows have a major impact on your home's appearance, inside and out. If your windows look dated, faded, or mismatched, upgrading them can instantly refresh your property. Modern designs offer slimmer frames, larger glass areas, and a variety of styles to match your home. Whether you prefer classic or contemporary, new windows can boost curb appeal and even increase property value. Making the right decision. If you've noticed one or more of these signs, it may be time to explore window replacement in High Springs. While repairs can fix minor issues, older windows often continue to cause problems and drive up costs over time. Investing in high-quality replacement windows improves energy efficiency, comfort, safety, and appearance. More importantly, it gives you peace of mind knowing your home is protected from the Florida elements. When your windows stop performing the way they should, replacing them isn't just an upgrade, it's a smart, long-term investment in your home and your family's comfort.